Hi, my name is Kyle, and I'm from First Team 195, the CyberKnights from Southington, Connecticut, and today I'll be talking to you about media for your team. You know, First isn't all about winning, it's about having fun, and I know I personally have had some of the best memories of my life with this team, and I've been lucky enough to capture those with pictures and videos. So I'm going to touch upon the picture aspect first. I'm very lucky that my dad's hobby was photography, and I have gear available that others may not have readily available. You can shoot with anything nowadays though, and phones actually have great cameras. I see people shooting with phones to pocket cameras to DSLRs, but if you want to shoot with a Polaroid or even a throwaway camera from CVS, go right ahead. The biggest events you're going to want to capture are competitions, but I've gotten pictures of meetings, volunteer events, fundraisers, and really all other team events. I'd recommend having this be a student-led venture, but our team's media was actually led by adults for many years before we started the media sub-team. The biggest priority, though, is to capture the robot and to capture the students on the team from that year. Get into work sessions and capture the individual aspects of the team at work, as well as the fans and students at the competition. Photos are best to be posted on some sort of social media site, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Really, all of those are a great way to get out to your sponsors, your parents, all your team members, so everyone can see what the team is doing. I personally also upload my pictures to Flickr, or really any other photo web hosting site would be good, because it's a good way for people who don't use social media to have access to your pictures. But finally, we as a team make a yearbook at the end of every year for the students, mentors, and sponsors. I'm going to provide a PDF link at the bottom of this video so you can get an inspiration if you're interested in making one for your team. So the second half of my job is to work with video. The system we actually implemented this year was a match recording system, and it helped our team tremendously on the field. We simply set up a video camera on a tripod where it could record the full field and record it start to finish of every match. We had drive team film sessions during and after every competition to assess what worked well and what might need to be improved upon. I was also lucky enough to get a GoPro camera in my second year as the head of the sub-team, and it's been a hit. We've recorded matches from the robot, matches from the drive team. I've even put it on my head and just walked around during competitions. It gives the team members, parents, and sponsors a chance to experience what it's like in the heat of the competition and just general life at a competition, because not everybody can attend. With the videos, two of the projects I'd recommend to start with are definitely a reveal video and an end of the year video, both of which I'll provide links for. The reveal video is right before the competitions. You want to get a video out of what your robot can do, what your robot looks like. It's a great way for teams that, maybe before competition want to take a look at your robot and assess beforehand what you can do and how you can do it. It's a great way to get your name out there before the competition. As for an end of the year video, it's really a good way of letting everybody see what your team did throughout the year. You can throw in some pictures, some match video, video from your robot, parents' pictures, anything that you want that's going to let people see what you did throughout the year. It's a great digital way of going back and recording the year. So you might be thinking to yourself, media might not be a team priority, but it's quickly become a great part of the team that everybody loves, and all of this wouldn't be possible without it. It's not something you need to invest a great deal of money in. It's likely someone's going to have a camera or a video camera with a desire to work on it. And that's really all you need. If you're looking to invest, there's definitely some great cameras you can get that aren't going to run you too much money. And then, like I said, I shot with a GoPro. And the advantage with the GoPro is that the Hero 4, which is the newest version, just came out. So a team with a large interest, maybe you want to invest in the latest and greatest. It's a really good camera. But if not, the Hero 3, which is what I use, and the Hero camera are all much less expensive than the time of their release. But they're still capable of high definition picture and video. It's definitely something I'd recommend because you can get mounts for anything. I'll wear a head mount, a chest mount, we got mounts for the robot. You can put it on anything you want and give tons of different perspectives. I've even thrown it up and time-lapsed the pit setup. It's just something small, something easy to carry around that's very versatile, and you can put on anything that gives a lot of different perspectives of what goes on at the competitions. I'll be leaving my contact information at the bottom for any other specific questions you may have, as media can be a very open-ended sub-team. It offers up a lot of avenues that you can go through with cameras and what can be produced, and I'm more than happy to help with the progression of media for your team.